Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna take you guys to an adventurous trek to Jogini Falls, Hadimba Temple in Old Manali Road and the famous Mall Road of Manali. We started for Jogini Falls early morning. It is a mountain trek of about 2.5 kilometers surrounded by lush green trees and scenic views. Jogini Falls is located near Vashist village in Manali after the name of the goddess Jogini. It is more than 150 feet tall waterfall. This trek is about 2 hours from main road. On the way to the falls, you will find many rest stops and cafes where you can grab a bite, drink some water and catch a breath because it is worth the struggle, I'm telling you guys. Once you get to the starting point of the waterfall. As we moved closer and closer to the fall, the hike was getting really steep and difficult. But guys, please don't get disheartened because it is really breathtaking once you reach the top. Finally guys, हम लोग पहुंच गए जोगनी फॉल्स and look at the mesmerizing gigantic falls. Wow. I don't know if my camera is able to justify, but look, लोग इतने tiny लग रहे हैं, इतने छोटे लग रहे हैं in front of this massive fall. Guys, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do because I have posted another vlog from Manali and it is really worth watching. So please watch that video, and my upcoming vlogs are also very exciting. I promise. Guys, whenever you are in Manali, make sure to take the blessings of the ancient Hadimba temple located in Old Manali. This temple is surrounded by dense forest and tall trees which gives a divine and peaceful atmosphere. Although parking may be an issue here, so I will advise you guys to visit this temple early morning. And of course guys, we visited the famous Manali Mall Road where you can find lot of cafes, restaurants, local handicraft stores where you can find shawls and woolens made here, and a lot of gift shops around as well. The best part about Manali Mall Road was vehicles were not allowed. As you can see, you can walk freely around here, chill and explore. Guys, I'm gonna end this vlog here. The next vlog is far more exciting, I promise, as I'm gonna take you guys along to Rohtang Pass, which is now open for tourism, via Golaba, which is famous for its lush green forest and surroundings. So see you in my next vlog. Bye.